is Tokiosodapop and welcome back to my channel. Guys, I am so excited because I'll be reacting to SB19, their concert Dallas, but it's like what I got for the sound check. So it's gonna be a lot of skips because I didn't want to just sit there behind my phone the whole time. So I would record for a minute, watch it, record for a minute. I wanted to I didn't want to, be behind my phone the whole time. So I wanted to get the experience. So you'll see it'll be half of a clip or song, whatever. And it's used me and my cousin because we're in the background singing and But yes, guys, I'm so excited. How are you doing? If you're new to our channel, I am a drag queen that just react and do what I love. And my soda pops, babies, I hope y'all are doing amazing. But guys, I am as well, honey. Look at her. I wanted to do flames and I couldn't figure out if I wanted to do just a whole side, just red fire or blue fire. And I had did a look for Kim Porsche episode 11. I had did red fire, so I said, I can give a little, a little half red. So anyway, but guys, I'm excited. This is my footage I'm reacting to because I really didn't watch. I just recorded and cut it, so I'm excited. Let's get into it. Look.
Are you guys happy to see us? Are you guys happy? Really? Well. Okay, we just want to welcome you guys. This is SB19's live sound check.
Look, honey, when I tell you the concert had started right then and there for us, honey, the concert started,
Anyway, I just want to thank everyone of you here for coming tonight, and I hope that every one of us will be having a good time tonight. So, yeah.
Look.
I've heard that most of you guys came all the way.
And y'all just looking stale. When I tell y'all stale was had the energy the whole time,
I'm sure that you'll have a good time tonight, okay?
Oh, we did, honey.
I promise to sing along with us, okay?
Honey, this is when it started. We were supposed to be chilling, but we was hyped. Hey. Hey. Y'all better stop. Y'all better stop playing. Come on. Hey, y'all better look. Hey, come on, Steph. Hey, I see you, Josh. And I was trying my best, y'all, because I was about to get into that aisle and just start dancing. I was trying my best to look now. Look, I think when I started to get chills during that moment. Hey. I'm what time was it? It was 4:30, 5:30. And honey, I had to work at 5 a.m. and I didn't have time to do anything and drive. Oh my goodness. It was all worth it though. Hey. Oh, y'all, stop playing. It was worth it. My whole day, honey, I ain't sit down.
This one is not something you can cry if you want.
I ain't gonna lie, I almost did. Look. I think it was surreal when I heard Song Hali. I hope I'm pronouncing it right, but when I heard that, I think I got a little teary eyed because I'm like, oh my god, like honey, Game Boys. And I'm like, even though this was like the sound check, y'all, it literally was like the show. I feel like the concert had started. Sing your heart out. Like, I love this song so much, y'all, because it's like, oh, they sing they so loud. Oh. Well, almost every song, but something about this one. Hey. Honey. Y'all, somebody had to catch me, look. I got chills. Right, what she said. Come on, Josh. And it was like it was giving full show before the show started. Baby, still better open the gates up to heaven, honey. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Come on, Pablo. And it's literally, y'all think I'm playing, they can just come and perform. They ain't gotta dance or give us all the extra stuff and the show will be sealed. But they give us like me and my cousin said, they took a leader from each boy group and formed SB19. They're all just so talented. Look at them. Look, honey, church. Look, hold on.
Guys, 18, reserve your energy, okay?
Look, I'm telling you, y'all, who's acting up?
We will dance together, okay?
Cause like literally, sound check, y'all had us feeling like this show started, honey. Look. Y'all look stale. And then this time, I had the opportunity to go down there. It was so many people going in that center way to get their phones, like Ken, Stell, and Pablo. Y'all, I had another opportunity. Nervous to me. Look, I turned to a ghost. My cousin's like, go, go, go. And I was like, so I don't look, but it's okay. It's okay. Oh my goodness, when I say amazing. Amazing. guys, like it was amazing. Like I tell you, y'all see, like, oh my goodness, like I feel like the show had started. Like it was just so, just oh my goodness, like, honey, the talent is present. I absolutely loved it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Oh, excuse me. But y'all always know what I say. Don't forget to be yourself. Don't forget to shine a light on others. And guys, don't give up. Just keep doing good. I am just blown away yet again. That's what I was like, let me farm these clips and react to this because, and it just, like y'all, I literally was getting chills back to back, me and my cousin. And I'm like, my cousin was looking at me and was like, Tony, like, you just told me they could sing like this. I was like, I tried to tell you, look. But, and guys, I'm still learning Gento, so look, give me time. Look, I've been took a break on dancing, so look, I had to get back in the studio. Give me time, so because I'm supposed to be doing the Gento TikTok, so give me a minute. Look, Granny had to blow the dust off. But guys, I loved it, and next I will do the show, but I absolutely loved it, guys, and let me know what you think. But she is signing out.